Hello all, welcome to Leetcode BiWeekly Contest 174. We are solving problem minimum edge toggles on a tree. So in this problem, we are given undirected tree with n nodes that are numbered from 0 to n minus 1 and they are represented as a 2D integer array. Now, we are also given two binary strings, start and target. So basically start I represent the initial color. So node has a color that is it's a binary, so 0 and 1. So you can assume any color. And target I is basically the desired color that I want. So initially if they are both 0, then they are of same color. If they are not matching, one is 0, one is 1, then they are of different colors and we have to make them equal. And how can we make them equal? That is in one operation. We will pick up an edge and we will toggle its endpoint. So 1, 0. So let's I have an edge, this 1 and 2. I have this edge. If I toggle this, this will become red and this will become green. And what I need to do is I return minimum possible length of what all edges I need to toggle in order to do it. And if it is not possible, then return -1. So what we'll do is a simple application of a DFS. Initially, we'll prepare our graph. So simply iterate the edges, push back edges for this is untitled, so we'll have this bidirectional. Along with that, we'll also add this IH with index it is, so that I can give it node because I have to give the edges as a result. So that is why taking I also into consideration. Creating this update where I will be storing whether the start I and target I are they equal or not. Initially they are set to 0. If they're not equal, updating it to 1. Now calling this DFS call. So DFS call is basically starting it from 0, passing the graph initially -1, that is the parent, and update is basically the update vector that we created. So in DFS, nothing, just iterating through the normal DFS that we do, iterating all the children of G of I, and the parent, the child should not be equal to the parent one. I'll continue the DFS one, and what I'll do is I'll check that if update of the child, if it is, I need to toggle it. In that case, what I'll do is I will push back the edge that I was given, update both, that is, since it is binary, so taking the XOR, it will update it. So doing it on both the child and the parent from it is coming, both of them, and update would be gradually updated. So finally, if I'll see that update of 0, if after doing all toggle is still not equal to 0, in that case return -1, otherwise sort it and return the answer, because we have to return it lexicographically sort. So that is why sorting. Thank you.